Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the Steam download region. So if you want to get faster downloads, you probably want to select downloads from a region that is closest to your geographic one. So if you're pulling from a server on the other side of the world, you will notice slower download speeds. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about download speeds while acquiring new games onto your Steam application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is select the Steam button, top left corner of the Steam application, and select where it says Settings. On the left side, you want to select the Downloads button. And then on the right side, where it says Download Region, click on the drop-down menu and select the region that is closest to your geographic location listed in here, and then you will need to restart Steam in order for the change to take effect. I'm going to select restart later, but you will need to close out of here and then actually restart the Steam application for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.